Hello friends, so how are you? I hope you you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video how to make this type unseen unseen figure, unseen flower, unseen design. How to make? Do you want Then watch full video. Don't skip this video. And I am Amarjeet, and now you are watching expert coding. So today I tell you how to make this type unseen figure, unseen flower. How to make. So don't skip video. I'm going on desktop screen. So come on my desktop screen and open your notepad. Open your notepad and write here, and here write import. First you import turtle. Import turtle. If you import turtle is T. Hit enter. Again import color system. Color yes. Hit enter and here write background color. Sorry, background color. I give here black. Give here black. You any other color you can give here. So I give black and again here tracer. Here right tracer 40. Give 40 and hit enter and here write pen size I give here 14 and hit enter and here default draw. Default draw. Default draw and here that column enter and here write t dot up t dot up and here t dot go to t dot go to. So I put here in go to minus 50 minus 50 to 45 50 to 45 hit enter and here write down and write down nothing put it here and here write h is equal to 0. You can give 1 2 and here put it for loop for I in range for I in range. I put it here 800. You can put 600 700. Only I put it here and here gives them is equal to is equal to color system. So here color system dot hsv to rgb hsv sorry hi underscore to rgb to underscore rgb and here bracket h comma 1 and close bracket and hit enter and here write h plus is equal to 0.008 008 and here color. So t dot color and give c only c here and hit enter again here write t dot fd full display. P dot fd. I give 26, not 100. Only gives 26, and here lt lt if lt minus r, you can give here minus 10, minus 6, minimum 10, 10. And here I give p dot circle, p dot circle, circle I, comma 213, 213 steps, 213 steps, 53, comma steps, step, I give here 23. You can give 25. Nothing happen. So pick color not give here. I give here white, white something. That one and hit enter. And again here write RT, T dot RT, RT. I give 89, and T dot here now give BK, BK, BK here 89. So and here write 89 again here T dot BK and 89, sorry, T dot BK again here 89 and hit enter, and here write T dot circle, T dot circle I, comma 29, comma steps, steps is equal to, here give 23, but here give only 3, don't 23 here give, don't don't give here 23, and hit enter, and here write draw, draw, draw means, and my programming successfully done. So here write done, my program successfully completed. 15 to 20 line program. You can now you will watch unique type unseen figure. I am going to save the program, save in desktop, and here write unseen, unseen dot py, and hit enter. Now open your command prompt, and here write cd desktop, hit enter, python, hit enter, python, and file name unseen dot py, and hit enter. You can you can watch, you can see which type figure is beautiful, looking is very beautiful. So here make and which type, what type, like fan, rolling fan, you can see on my screen, looking is very good. So thank you. I hope you are understood this program and this figure. So I hope you are, now you will make this program. So if you good or bad my video, so you can say in comment box. So thank you friends.